Installing your chair base. Flip the unit over and remove the hardware pack from the underside of the unit. Place the anti-squeak pads against the frame where the base will be installed. Place the base in the unit, aligning the holes. Note, there will be a sticker or a stamped place in the metal base labeled front. This will go toward the front of the chair. Start all 4 bolts by tightening them with your hand. You may need to turn the swivel base to access the bolts. You can use a 7/16 socket or wrench to tighten down all 4 bolts. Do not over-tighten the bolts. This could cause them to break. The installation is now complete.